Switching the wristband is easy. The first step is to remove the nugget. To do that, simply pull the wristband towards the top of the screen and slide the nugget out. Then, take the new wristband and slide the nugget in one side at a time. To switch the clasp, gently peel it away from the band. Notice that the clasp is actually asymmetrical. It's longer on one side than it is the other. There's a long side and a short side. So, before you place it inside the next band, look for the long side and the short side. Then match it up with the clasp. Then insert completely. And you're ready to go.